Hey there, viewers! Korean beauty products have become quite popular all over the world. From the face masks to the most unique makeup products, K-beauty has now become a large part of the beauty market. In today's video, we'll tell you the best Korean beauty and makeup hacks that'll help you achieve dewy, radiant, and daisy-fresh skin. From fruit juice makeup, fake laughing eye bags, applying a facial essence, using rice water, to contouring just one facial feature and more. Number 1. Jamsu. Jamsu literally translates to submerge in Korean, which is actually what this technique entails. Masterminded by Korean beauty buffs, the trick is to apply your primer, foundation, and concealer as normal and then cover your entire face with baby powder. Once you're all white and powdery, submerge your face briefly for 15 to 30 seconds in a bowl filled with cold water. Dry your face and finish your look. This will make you look like a porcelain for hours. It's not exactly the most comfortable thing in the world, but works similarly to baking by locking in your makeup and giving you matte skin. You can still implement the practice if you don't wear makeup by dunking your face after your skincare routine. The cold water will help seal your products, close the pores, and achieve your naturally rosy glow. Number 2. Try fruit juice makeup. In order to look as youthful as possible, Korean women tend to stick to an aesthetic she calls juicy-ism or fruit juice makeup. It means getting enough color on your cheeks as if they were ripe fruit ready to eat and bursting with juice. You can achieve this by applying fruit-colored blush like watermelon, peach, and strawberries directly onto the front apples of your cheeks. Do this instead of blending upwards and outward, which is usually the technique used in America. Then finish with a fruit-colored lip tint and beam like the peach you are. Number 3. Swap cat eyes for puppy dog eyes. Cat eyes are an essential part of the Western beauty vernacular, but in Korea, women are all about puppy dog eyes. In order to pull off a puppy dog eye, you should keep your eye open when winging your liner and then bring it ever so slightly downward. You want it to look naturally long and slightly curved down, not sagging or drooping, but just a lower angle than a cat eye. Number 4. Go for stained gradient lip. Gradient lips are a popular K-beauty technique that consists of applying a dark color on the inner lips. It's then faded out at the edges or blended into a different color. All you need is a matte liquid lipstick and a flat shader brush to blur the edges. You can also use the tip of your fingers to fade out the edges and finish with a gloss in the center of your lips to make it look extra pouty. Gradient lips look lived in, and even though they have a technique to them, are considered a low-maintenance look. The casual rubbed-off pout looks adorable and is the complete opposite of a well-put-together pout. It's this detail that adds a youthful charm to your makeup look. Number 5. Fake laughing eye bags. Korean covet the little bump under the eye that shows up when you smile or laugh. The bumps differ from under eye bags, which are dark and puffy but resemble a muscle that protrudes underneath and makes even anime characters look cute. To create this effect, apply a highlighter right under your waterline and then add a slightly darker shadow directly underneath to make it pop. Number 6. Mist your face between each makeup layer. Here is a strange but highly effective Korean beauty hack. Misting face between each layer. Instead of blending makeup in one after the other, Koreans usually mist their face between each step. So it's BB cream or cushion foundation, mist, concealer, mist again, blush, yes, mist again. That's a lot of mist, but the fact is that those very sheer layers of moisture can help ensure each cream product blends in beautifully and naturally. And you get a very dewy glow from fully hydrated skin. Number 7. Give your face a steam massage in the shower. Skin clinics are down every block in South Korea, where you can get a facial massage as easy as a budget manicure. We recommend not only using circular motions with your fingers, but also tapping in rotating motions. Start on the forehead, then the cheekbones, cheeks, and work down to the jawbone. Massaging increases circulation and creates a dewy complexion. For added benefit, use an oil cleanser to maximize hydration. Number 8. Apply a facial essence between 2 layers of moisturizer. Many modern Korean women feel that essence are the key to sealing in all the goodies of your daily cleansing. Essences are mild, skin nutrient-filled solutions, not toners that hydrate your skin and are applied after cleansing. The next step is to add serum, and then you can add your moisturizer for maximum skin elasticity and hydration. Number 9. Air dry plus 10-second rule. After washing your face, leave it to air dry instead of rubbing or patting with a towel. Not only is this friction bad for your skin, but there's a surprisingly large amount of bacteria and chemicals living inside those fibers, even if you just washed them. As per the 10-second rule, you should apply your skincare products within 10 seconds of washing your face while your face is still damp. This sweet spot is when your pores are most receptive and can absorb the products best. Number 10. Half baths. Korean spas have something called banshin-yuks, which translates loosely to half baths. These are hot baths with water that just reaches the belly button while the upper body stays completely dry. The temperature differences between the top and bottom halves of the body is said to help boost circulation, while the steam coming from the water hydrates your pores. Although the treatment isn't commonly found in American spas, you can easily recreate this home by drawing yourself a shallow bath with steamy water. Number 11. Never apply your cushion compact all over your face. Cushion compacts have gained popularity over the last few years, especially since beauty gurus swear by them. However, the right way to use them is by only applying to your face's heart zone, which is your cheeks, forehead, nose, and chin. Begin by patting the cushion onto the center of your face and blending the product outwards. This creates a gradation effect on your face, wherein light is drawn towards the center, making for a very natural-looking contour. Number 12. Try a toner pack. Toner pack or skin pack in Korean is a mini DIY sheet mask. You can do this skincare hack during your busy morning, which is the biggest perk. What you'll need is pretty simple: your favorite toner and cotton pads. Pick a toner that is gentle and moisturizing. Make sure to stay away from products with alcohol or astringents, as these will dry out your skin. You'll need a multi-layer cotton pad that can easily separate into thin sheets. Spongy cotton pads also work too. These two types of cotton pads will minimize the usage of your precious toner. Soak 3 to 4 cotton pads and place them on your face while you're drying your hair in the morning. Number 13. 4-2-4 Cleansing Method. This is a 4-part skincare ritual similar to double cleansing. It involves 4 minutes of removing makeup by massaging cleansing oil on your face, then 2 minutes of applying a foam cleanser. Then you take another 4 minutes to rinse your face with water. 2 minutes of lukewarm water followed by 2 minutes of cold water. By thoroughly cleansing your face, the 4-2-4 method acts as a foundation for clear and healthy skin. If your skin has been properly cleansed during your beauty routine, then all other products that you layer on are going to work effectively as well. Number 14. Use rice water. Koreans' emphasis on skincare is not a recent phenomenon, but rather an old tradition. Even in the old days, Koreans had various beauty hacks they would incorporate in their daily lives, no matter what rank they had in society. Still today, it is common to use rice water to wash your face because of its many benefits. However, you don't have to cook up your own rice, but can simply purchase various products available on the market to get the same anti-aging and moisturizing effects. While rice water may be good for your skin, white rice can be unhealthy for you as it contains a lot of carbs. Learn more by watching 10 healthy alternatives to white rice. Now back to the mind-blowing Korean makeup and beauty hacks that actually work. Number 15. Opt for straight eyebrow shape. In most Korean makeup looks, you'll notice that they prefer straighter eyebrows over high arched ones. This is because the former style leads you to an innocence that makes you look more youthful. Now, bear in mind that when we talk about straight eyebrows, we're not referring to those strong, blocky ones. The Korean straight brow is softer and favors a natural finish with light, hair-like strokes. Eyebrow cushion compacts are a popular choice for getting this style. Their liquid texture makes it easy to create the look of real brow hair without appearing too drawn in. Number 16. Contour just one facial feature. One of the most basic Korean beauty hacks is less is more when it comes to contouring. Over-contouring is a big no-no in K-beauty. Instead, just pick one facial feature you want to define. Is it cheeks, the eyes, the mouth, or the jawline? If you're going to bring out your contouring, stick to give the sharp V face and cheeks, then keep your eyes and mouth very soft and neutral. If you want a two-toned lip, then go easy on the blush and define eyes with a very natural brow pencil and 2 coats of mascara. While these Korean hacks give you beautiful glowing skin, there are other things that you should do regularly. We're talking about getting proper sleep and eating skin-friendly foods. Learn more about how you can get a good night's sleep and the best foods for your skin by watching 10 Life Hacks to Get a Good Night's Sleep, or 12 Foods That'll Make Your Skin Glow. So go ahead and watch one or both of these videos if you want to better understand the secrets of flawless skin. Have you ever tried any Korean beauty hacks? How did that work out for you? Let us know in the comments below.